How to change address on your PayPal account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your address on PayPal. First, make sure that you have downloaded PayPal on your phone. If you are iPhone user, you can find this app on App Store, and if you are Android user, go to Play Store and you can download it from there. After that, click on search bar and open PayPal. Now make sure to log into your account, and after you have logged into your account, you can see this home page. Here on the top right corner you can see human icon. Click on it. Now scroll down a little bit and click on this account information option. Here you can see your address, and if you click on the see all option, you will be directed to this new page. And here click on this edit option. Now simply delete this current address and type in your new address. So this is how you can change address on your PayPal account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.